Hello, you are welcome to Ben Ambitious Inventions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your hard disk drive and convert it into a usable storage external device. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps you can walk through to convert your old hard disk drive into usable external storage device. In this case, you have to go ahead and purchase external drive case. You can get some from the local shops or you can order some online. So in this video, I'm using Toshiba external hard disk drive case. The package comes with a USB device which you can connect from the external hard disk drive to your laptop. It also contains a PCB. The PCB is what you will connect to your hard disk drive, then you connect the cable to it through to your laptop. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and let me show you how you can install the PCB on your hard disk drive. Just locate the pins and connect them accordingly. So connect it accordingly to how you see it, then push it through, then that's all. You can decide to use it like that, but for safety reasons, you have to put it in the external case to protect it. Put the hard disk into the case and make sure that the port is connected to where the hole is on the drive case. So then you push it through and make sure that it fits inside very well. So after making sure that it fits inside very well, then you take the cover, then use it to cover it and push it tightly and fix it onto it. So now we are done with our installation and we can start using it. So to try it, you can just connect it to see. When you connect it, you can push it through hardly to make sure it is very tight. Then you can start using it by connecting it to your PC. So this is it, and let's try to connect it to my PC and let's see. So after connecting it, you will see that there is a light blinking on the external storage device, and you see on the laptop that it has shown on the laptop. So these are the two divisions. It is actually one, but I have divided the drive into two sections. That's why you see two of them. I've used part of one. So once you disconnect it, it will not be available. Once you connect it back, then it shows. Thank you.